welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Brunette Wig Place. I'm so glad that you are here today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and then every time I post a new wig related video, you will get a notification letting you know that I have posted some new content. So today I am wearing Petite Sullivan by Estetica, and the color on this one is R628F. Very, very pretty brunette. I have reviewed this color before. I think I had it on Sage and Ellis. Maybe those are the only two, I can't remember, but I have shown you all this color before. But every time I see these colors on a different style, the color placement seems to be a little different, or maybe it's just the way the certain style hangs. I don't know, I feel like the colors have some variation to them, you know, with every wig. So anyway, so I'm excited to show her to you today. So I will do a turn all the way around and show you her from all angles, and then we'll get into all of her measurements and things. So she's very, very cute. Now she is based, of course, on their popular style Jameson. So she is a petite version of Jameson. So if you love Jameson, but she's maybe a little too big for you, Sullivan might be the answer to what you're looking for. So very, very pretty bob. Okay, so this is my right side. The back, very pretty. My left, and back to the front. So she definitely curls under, so she is a more traditional looking bob as opposed to something that has more straight contemporary ends on her. So just a note, she's a very, very pretty classic style, very, very pretty. So, okay, so she is a lace front, and this color is a great brunette for a lace front. It's not too dark. Your base color, of course, is that 6. But you also have that 28 in there that has a frosted appearance to it. So very nice lace front. The knots look great. The hair is super soft on this one too. I have good coverage, you know, for the ear tabs as well. And then she has a left mono part, and the mono part goes all the way back to the crown. This is something that I'm seeing Estetica do with their new styles, and I really, really like it. I think it makes the part look very natural. Now the part on this one is very thin and straight, so you know, it could be a situation where you feel like you want to show a little bit more of that monofilament, so you could open that part up a little bit by plucking. It's okay with me, but you might have a different preference for that. So really, really cute. Now this is just regular synthetic. She is not heat friendly, so just regular synthetic fibers. Really cute. Okay, let me go over her measurements real quick. She is 10 inches from the bang. She has 11 inches from the crown. Her sides are 7 inches, and her nape back here is 4 inches. So really nice. She just comes right above my shoulders, which is a great length for a style, you know, particularly if you're wearing her in the colder months when you have sweaters and things like that that rub on the fibers. I have found, I have a lot of experience with Jameson. I don't know how many Jamesons I've had, quite a few. So I found her just to be an easy style to wear, fun to pull back and things like that. So really, really great style. Okay, I will pop her off and we can look at her interior cap construction. Okay, here's the inside of Sullivan's cap. So there's that lace front. Nice. You know, it extends down onto part of the ear tab. The ear tab, if you can see that part of the cap there, it curves around, so she does have a bit of an extended lace front, which is nice. So plenty of lace front on this one. It's even wide here, so that's kind of nice. And then you have that monofilament part there, and like I said, it goes all the way back to the crown, which I think is a really great feature. She has closed wefting and closed lace here on the top, and there is some permatease on top. It's just the gentle teasing that's at the rooting, though. It's not, you know, big poofy or anything like that. She has soft ear tabs with a nice piece of metal in there. Open wefting all through the cap, as you can see. Keeps it cool and comfort. She does not have an extended nape. She has hook adjusters. And I did have to take these adjusters in. This is a petite cap, but it's fitting me a little bit large, so I think it's fitting probably, you know, pretty true to average. So there's her lace front. Really nice. Okay, so I will talk about her color in a minute, but I do want to talk about the fit. So I am 21 inches around for my circumference. I am 11 from ear to ear, and I'm 13 from forehead to nape. So I definitely feel like from forehead to nape, she's fitting me pretty good. I mean, she's not impinging on my ears or anything like that. So she definitely feels petite from ear to ear. But circumference wise and back here from forehead to nape, there's definitely some extra room in the cap. So that can be a good thing. I am able to pull the adjusters in and make her fit so that she feels secure on me. She is one I might choose to wear a wig grip with or tape down my lace front just for extra security. But there is some room in there if you do have a lot of bio hair that you are putting up in a wig cap underneath her. You've got plenty of room for that hair back here. Plenty of room if you have a little ponytail that you tie, you know, and into a little bun back there if you put a wig, you know, when you put a wig on. If you are completely bald and you are a true petite, you may find that she's a little bit big on you. But I do have a little bio hair, not really much to make much of a difference, but I'll just show you, you know, you can see there's some extra room in this cap. So she is definitely more petite on me than Jameson is, but she's not full on, you know, just fitting my head like a glove. So just for reference for you all for fitting when you're, you know, I'm just trying to help you guys out whenever you're looking and trying to decide if a wig is going to fit you or not. That is how she is fitting me. Okay, so this color is R628F. This is such a pretty brunette. So the description of this color is a chestnut brown with red frost. And I think that's just a perfect description. So she's a 6 and a 28. So you're frosted with that pretty 28. It's like a, you know, highlight all throughout the wig. She's not rooted or anything, but the 6 kind of gives you the appearance of a rooting. It looks very natural. Like I said, it just looks like you've got some warm, coppery highlights put in your brunette hair. So very pretty. Okay, let's take this color outside and we'll look at her in the natural light. Okay, outside looking at R628F by Estetica on the Petite Sullivan wig. Very pretty. You can really see that 28 up against that 6 base. Here's that lace front. Looks really nice. Mono part. The lace on this one is a little long, so that might be one that I would trim back a bit, just right up to the hairline. Okay, it's bright and sunny. Let's take her out in the sun, in front of the pool. So as you can see, that this R628F is just a gorgeous color out there in the sun. The auburn really pops when you're out there in the natural light. So very, very pretty. Okay, as far as styling and glasses and all that, she is ear tuckable, very easy to tuck behind the ears, easy with the glasses, no problem. You can put them up on your head, no problem. She is cute with a headband. So while I have her tucked, this is one of the cutest things I think you can do with this style. Very cute. You could even pull out, you know, a layer here in the front if you wanted to. Let that just hang down there. And I have seen her with bangs cut in her, not Sullivan, but Jameson, and, you know, and she looks cute like that. You might have to cut them and then steam them down if you want full, you know, forehead coverage, but really, really cute style. So, you know, you can also bump her up and pull these hairs off out of the front with a claw clip. That looks really cute. She's got such a nice lace front, extends from here to here, so very, very nice. Looks really, really good. Or just clip her back, you know, gently with a clip, with these little alligator clips. That looks cute too. You can pull her back in a half up, half down. You might have a little bit of this bang, you know, flutter down, but that just looks natural, you know. So really, really cute. Very cute style. I'm pleased with her, but like I said, she does fit a little big on my petite head, so just something to note. So thank you so much for watching. I did purchase this style at Wig Studio One, and I always recommend Wig Studio One. Andrea just has a great shop and great place to shop. So anyway, thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.